Today's video we're featuring our GV50 and we'll be installing it on an antique Volkswagen Beetle. Alright, let's check it out. As you can see here, we use the connector to simply attach the red wire to power. Make sure the connection's secure, looks good. The next step is to connect our black wire, which is our negative. We'll use another connector to help us out. We just need to find a sweet spot to ground it. Oh, here's one. Once your harness is properly connected, plug in your device. The flashing lights indicate that it has power. You can fasten it under the dashboard so it's out of sight. And you're all set. Pretty easy, huh?